Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to delete or remove user on Mac OS using terminal. Are you ready? So let's get started. Open your terminal, okay? And then, okay, this is my terminal. Let's see the list of user by DSCL. We can list the users, okay, and users and enter. In the previous tutorial I created this user, as you can see, test, okay, and in this tutorial I will show you how to delete this user using terminal. Very easy, by using this command sudo dscl dot minus delete, and then the folder of user, and the name of the user is test. Enter. Password, okay. See, that's how you can delete user on Mac operating system. Let's test if this user has been deleted successfully or not. As you can see, it is not there. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section and I will be very happy to